Hey, what's up guys, Fahzman here. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer files from iPhone to PC without iTunes with just a few simple clicks. You can transfer everything including contacts, messages, audios, videos, photos, books and apps between your iOS devices and PC, and also from iPhone to iPhone using Easa's Movie Mover. This is available for both Windows and Mac. The download link of this software is available in the video description. Here is the screen that will welcome you once your installation is completed and you open it. Just plug your iPhone or iPad via USB data cable to your PC. You will then need to allow and trust your PC once you get pop-up message on your iPhone. With content management, you will be able to see all your iPhone's data categorized in the pattern. You will be able to browse through it and decide what do you want to transfer. It lets you transfer music, photos, videos, messages, contacts and apps from iPhone to PC or PC to iPhone. Let's start with photos. So if you have photos in your iPhone, so it is gonna show up here. If you want to transfer them to your computer, you can select all photos if you want to transfer all of them, and you can also select any of them to transfer. Select the photos and click on transfer to PC. As you can see, transfer completed. Tap on view files and you can see we have the folder with all the photos. So if you want to transfer the photos from PC to iPhone, just click on add contents button and now find and select your desired photos and click on open button to start transferring it to the iPhone. You can see the transferring process has started. If you want to transfer anything else, follow the same method as photos. Let's get back and try to transfer the audio files now. In the music, these are the music files in my iPhone. So if you want to transfer them into your computer, just select any of them and click transfer to PC button to transfer these files to PC. Or if you want to add music files, just press add content button and select the desired music files and click on open to transfer it to the iPhone. So just like that, you can transfer anything like videos, messages, contacts, apps and notes. On the left side we have some other features. Here we have phone to PC. With this we can transfer all of our iPhone data to PC. We also have a PC to phone option. With this feature, you can transfer anything from PC to iOS device directly in a single click. And next we have phone to phone transferring feature. To transfer files from one iPhone to another iPhone, just simply plug in your both iPhone to computer and you can then easily transfer things between two devices. You also get a video downloader. It lets you download videos with just a click on your PC. You need to copy the video's link and place it in the box and click download. Please make sure that you have a permission to download the content. At the last we have WhatsApp backup and restore feature. You can take backup WhatsApp messages to computer. Once you have backed up, you can restore to iOS device. You can also transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another. You can try Movie Mover for free, then consider purchasing Movie Mover if you need to transfer more than 20 files per day. The download link is available in the video description. So that's all for now. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.